The Jeep Wrangler hasn't always been known for having the latest and greatest in technology, but this all-new 2018 model has more features than ever before. Let's take a look at all the tech in this SUV. The new Wrangler offers 3 different infotainment options with 5, 7, or 8.4-inch touchscreens. This is the middle ground 7-inch unit. It uses the company's Uconnect 4 software, which is among my favorites for its responsiveness and ease of use. You can jump between menu screens thanks to these shortcut buttons along the bottom. There's no built-in navigation on this system, but there is a big digital compass, which I guess would be useful if you got really lost while off-roading. In addition to things like Bluetooth and satellite radio to keep you entertained, this system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. I also really love having these chunky physical controls for adjusting the volume or tuning the radio. When it comes to connectivity, you'll find 2 USB ports here on the dashboard, and one of them is the new Type-C standard for those of you with newer smartphones or tablets. There's also a second USB port here in the center console. Rear seat passengers can keep all their gadgets charged up thanks to a 115-volt power outlet, as well as 4 different USB ports. That's 2 of the more traditional Type-A ports, as well as 2 of those newer Type-C ones. The 7-inch color trip computer shows me all sorts of information, as simple as my fuel economy, as nerdy as things like the engine oil temperature and pressure, and as useful for off-roaders as things like your steering angle, roll, and pitch. In terms of safety technology, the Wrangler finally adds a backup camera as standard, though that's partly because now it's required by law for all new cars. An $895 option package adds blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alerts. The sensors for that system are cleverly hidden in the taillights. You won't, however, find pre-collision braking or adaptive cruise control, safety features that are becoming popular on new cars, on the Wrangler, though those both will be available as options for the 2019 model year. And that's a rundown of all the tech in the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. For the full review of this SUV, visit theroadshow.com.